guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time, guys, it's the number 73. But well, guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is the number 73. If you would like to see the previous 72, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the ink cards in the end of the video. And guys, as we mosey on down, we see the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. I can't wait to do that, guys. And this collection is from editorial Salvat, but well, let's mosey on and see what we got. And here it says a sweet establishment, and here it talks about miniature shops and bakeries, one of which is shown here. Here you can see the shop with all of the different pieces marked, and down here it shows you each and every piece of the shop, which is very cool. And here it talks about the bakeries during the Victorian age. You can see all of those cute little pies and cakes. They all look really yummy, but they're all not edible, sadly. But they look really yummy. And here it shows you how to put the wallpaper for the child's room. And it shows you the stick, which we got in this number. It also shows you how to connect this part, so that's very cool. It walks you through step by step of how to do that. And well, guys, as I always say with this collection, once I unbox this entire thing, I will walk you through how to do each and every one of these little side projects, and we will build the dollhouse together. So guys, make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And how cool is it that they talk about Bram Stoker in this collection? That's awesome. Hey, it mentions Buffy the Vampire Hunter. Hey, my husband will be happy about that. Hey. He's kind of a mega fan of Buffy. Very cool. And well, guys, that's the end of that. Here on the back, we just have the front of the dollhouse. And of course, guys, as I said before, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's flip back to the front. And well, guys, now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, guys, so first up we have this stick for the dollhouse. It has this edging in the side, which you can see there. There's the end there. And the other end there. Let me see if I can get that in better focus. There we go, much better. Okay, and I'm going to show you all around. It's just plain wood, which later we will finish. Okay guys, I'm gonna put this to the side. Okay guys, so we're gonna open this up. You just have a little bit of tape on each of the sides. Okay. Let's flip this to the other side so we can remove this tape. There we go. Okay, let's open this very carefully. Alright. So now we're just gonna take these things out and put them on the table, and then I will show you them one at a time. But first, let's just get them out of here. That one didn't want to come out. And then we have this. Okay. Alright guys, so first up we have this little box with different hearts in different colors. I guess this is supposed to be like a gift box of soap. So for in the bathroom. Or I mean, so all of this stuff will be for the bathroom. And then here you have some what I imagine are supposed to be like purple or lavender bath salts. Very cute. I really like the cork in the top. It's a nice touch. And then we have some blue bath salts as well, which are packaged just the same as the purple ones. I'm gonna put that back down here. And okay, this is really small. This, I guess, would be just like a little scoop for the bath salts, so you know how much you're putting into your bath. And it has this really nice etching there. And well guys, it looks really cool. I'm just gonna put it back down here. And well guys, you tell me which one of these do you like the most? The purple bath salts, the blue bath salts, the little box of soaps, or the little silver scoop? Tell me down in the comments below. I really think the little silver scoop was pretty adorable, but I also like the bath salts too, so I'm kind of torn. But anyway, tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. And well guys, that's the end of that. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below, and while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, I will have links to my Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all linked down below. So make sure to go on over and follow me on those. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, and live streams, which I'm a part of. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.